Hey there, comic book enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the features of the CASEMATIX graded comic book storage case, a must-have for any serious collector. This lightweight yet sturdy case is designed to hold up to 28 CGC graded comics, offering a hard shell exterior and a scratch-resistant interior to keep your prized possessions safe and sound. The case includes 3 removable dividers, allowing you to customize the interior to fit your collection perfectly and prevent any unwanted movement. Made from durable fabric wrapped over thin plastic boards, this case provides a rigid frame that offers more protection than your average cardboard box, making it ideal for everyday storage and transport. The interior dimensions of 14.5 by 13 by 8.5 inches ensure a snug fit for a variety of collectible comics. With built-in carry handles and a secure hook and loop closure, you can easily open or close the case in seconds, making it a breeze to grab your favorite comics on the go. Whether you're storing or transporting your comics, the CASEMATIX graded comic book storage case is designed to meet all your needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.